If you're in the market for an affordable gaming chair, then this could be the one for you. This is the TTRacing Duo V4 Pro, and it is one of TTRacing's more affordable gaming chairs in its current lineup. Priced at 499 ringgit, it is not the most affordable gaming chair, but for that kind of money, you are getting some sweet features including a big lumbar pillow and an adjustable headrest. Anyway, this is our review of the TTRacing Duo V4 Pro. Before we get to the meat of the review, let's talk about this gaming chair a little bit first. There are actually two different versions of the Duo V4. This is the Pro model for 499 ringgit, while the more affordable Duo V4 costs only 429 ringgit because it lacks a few features. Aside from a slightly different design, the standard Duo V4 doesn't get this XL lumbar pillow as well as the adjustable headrest. So if you don't need these two features, you don't really need to fork out the extra 70 ringgit. But in my opinion, just 70 ringgit for these two features is definitely worth the money. Aside from that, both chairs also have this cushion armrest, a PU leather and fabric combination upholstery, as well as pretty smooth casters, which are the wheels underneath this chair. More often than not, more affordable gaming chairs or even office chairs do not have the smoothest hydraulics, but with the V4 Pro, as you can see here, it goes up very smoothly and it also goes down in a very smooth manner, so you don't have to worry about any jerkiness with this particular gaming chair. And that is a good segue to the smooth casters on the V4 Pro. I mean, just moving around the office with this chair is quite a joy because it is very smooth. I would even argue that it is a little bit too smooth because even the slightest push with my legs would push the seat back, hitting my colleagues, and that's not a very nice thing. Next, we have the not so great stuff with the Duo V4 Pro, starting with this big lumbar pillow. Now, you may think that this large pillow would be comfortable at your back, but at least for myself, it is not that comfortable at all. I would have preferred for it to be a little bit shorter and more concentrated to the lower back because that's where I need the most support, and this being so tall distributes the force to my whole back and I don't find it particularly comfortable. Plus, without the lumbar pillow, I can sit deeper into the chair, which I find to be a more comfortable position. But as with any chairs in the market, your comfort level will really depend on your body type, height and whatnot. So for my personal experience anyway, I find this lumbar pillow to be more intrusive than it is comfortable. And then there's the fact that this chair does not have an adjustable backrest because it is attached to the armrest here. Yes, it is affordable, but to not have this feature does limit your comfort level in the sense that if you want a particular angle for the backrest, you cannot do that with the Duo V4 Pro. There is, however, a tilt feature as you can see here, but I mean, your sitting angle is still the same because the backrest is unfortunately fixed in place. So in conclusion, is the TTRacing Duo V4 Pro worth it? Well, in my opinion, if you have 499 ringgit to spend, this is definitely one of the options that you have to consider before going with anything else. Yes, it is unfortunate that the backrest cannot be adjusted and the XL lumbar pillow, in my opinion at least, isn't particularly comfortable. But again, for 499 ringgit, you are getting a lot of value for your money here. You're getting the adjustable headrest, a pretty comfortable seating experience, cushion armrests, as well as smooth hydraulics and casters. You are not getting these features with most gaming chairs in the market, especially from lesser known brands, and TTRacing has been in the market for quite some time now and they do produce pretty good gaming chairs for the money. With that in mind, you should still do your due research and see if the Duo V4 Pro is your best bet at 499 ringgit. In my opinion, I do certainly enjoy sitting on this chair, though I am going to go back to the TTRacing Max when I can because I do find that to be a much more comfortable chair. But it is also much more expensive, so it is up to you on how much you want to spend on just a chair. Though, like I said before, I do think it's a worthy investment for folks who spend a lot of hours sitting down. And that is our review of the TTRacing Duo V4 Pro. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here on this channel and nextshift.com.